welcome. Here I'm going to show you how I made this crispy chocolate chip waffles. These are so delicious. Just look at that, right? Look at that. I topped them with some bananas. I got some 2 poached eggs on the side, and I have some beef sausages here. And boy, let's get to it. Before we get to it, I'm going to dance a bit. So you can subscribe, press that thumbs up. And please don't forget to comment. So let's get to it now. Here are my ingredients. I have 1.5 cups of flour. I have 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg. I have 2 cups of milk, actually 1 cup of cream and 1 cup of milk. I have 2 bananas here, 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. We have the cocoa there, 1/2 cup cocoa, and I have a little bit of chocolate bits there. And now we are ready to mix it up. Can do without the chocolate chips, so you don't have to have them in there, but it's nice to bite into them. Bite in some good chocolate waffles. So this is the consistency here, and I'm about to heat up my waffle maker. Check it in about 3 minutes. See if it's nice and crispy. Take it out. Some messy stuff there. Good stuff.